Two people did the same problem when we've got two different answers. Let's look at their work and then we'll figure out which one is correct. The first person started with 3 times 2. That's 6. So we now have 6 plus 6 plus 12 divided by 2. Then they did 12 divided by 2, which is in the back. It's kind of weird. 6 plus 6 plus 6. That's 12 plus 6, which is 18. The second person also started with 3 times 2. Got the same line for the second line, but now they're going to continue doing this from left to right. They're going to go 6 plus 6. That's going to give them 12 plus 12 divided by 2. We end up with 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So who's right? Well, this is why we have the order of operations. Let's take a look at it. PEMDAS. What does that mean? You do everything that's inside a grouping symbols first. Then you do your exponents, and if you have square roots, that would be right here. Then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. All right, looking at their work, since they both started the same way, we got to look at the second line. First person skipped the addition and went into the back and did that division, which is following the order of operations. The second person moving left to right, doing that addition before this division, that's the problem. So the 12 is not correct.